In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add light behind a subject in Lightroom Classic. We'll create that subtle glowing lift behind your subject using Lightroom's masking tools, and we'll keep everything non-destructive so you can fine-tune it anytime. Start by opening Lightroom Classic and bringing your image in. Go to the File menu and choose Import. In the Import window, navigate to the folder with your photo, select it, and click Import. Once it lands in your catalog, you're ready to edit. Look toward the top right of the interface and switch to the Develop module. This is where all the adjustment tools live. On the right side panel, find the masking icon. It looks like a dotted circle, and click it. The masking panel gives you targeted control over specific parts of your image, which is perfect for adding light behind a subject without affecting the subject itself. Choose Background. Lightroom will analyze the photo, detect the subject, and automatically select everything except the subject. This is exactly what we want, because we're going to brighten the background to simulate light behind them. If the overlay appears on screen, that's just a visual guide. You can toggle it if needed to see your changes more clearly. Now with the background mask active, begin by nudging exposure up a little at a time. Small moves go a long way. Think subtle glow, not a blown out halo. Next, adjust contrast to shape that light. A slight increase can add definition and help the background light feel intentional. Then, bring up highlights to push the brighter tones behind your subject, enhancing that luminous effect while keeping midtones and shadows more controlled. Keep an eye on your subject's edges while you adjust. You want a clean separation without bright spill on their face or clothing. If you notice the mask touching parts of the subject, refine it within the same mask. Use the subtract option with a soft brush and gently paint off any areas that shouldn't be brightened. Likewise, if the background missed a spot, use add to include it. Zoom in to 100% to check edges, especially around hair and fine details, and make tiny corrections as needed. When everything looks balanced, compare before and after to confirm the glow feels natural. If the effect is too strong, simply ease back your exposure or highlights until it blends seamlessly. That's it. A clean, controllable way to add light behind your subject using Lightroom Classic's background mask, all without touching the original pixels.